Hi guys, welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty. I have a different special guest today. I have my grandson Zayden here. We are making our first soap together, he and I, and it's not Hey Bulldog. We are going to watch Yellow Submarine tonight.
Yep.
And you're going to finish your design. But,
Where is it?
where's what?
The paper that I wrote.
I think it's upstairs still. Okay, well can I do my spiel?
Yes.
Thanks. Okay. We are making a coffee soap. We are like completely out of coffee soap, and I went to go and make some of our standard wake me up before you go in our hazelnut, and guess what? We don't have any hazelnut fragrance oil. So, but because we need it, I am doing it in sugar cookie brulee. It's a new fragrance that we got from Nature's Garden. It smells delicious. So we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna mix my heavy cream and my yogurt in here, and then we'll get to the lye coffee solution. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, it's kind of loud, huh? All right. Now this lye coffee solution is made with one of my son's death wish coffees, which I guess are like double caffeinated or something. I just know that they're really, really strong, but I put some Folgers in there as well. So, all right, let's get this to emulsification and we'll separate out our colors. Woo! Look at that, Zayden. Look at that, I got all kinds of bubbles in there. That's not what you're supposed to do. You're not supposed to get bubbles in there.
Make some music.
Hey, stop. Don't make music. They don't want to hear your music. They're already singing Wake Me Up Before You Go in their head. Right? Wake me up before you go. Oh, sorry. Okay, so because this is the sugar cookie brulee, sorry, I got to stir some of these bubbles out, you guys. We're going to use, I always use cocoa powder in my coffee soap, and I use white. But I am adding the caramel butterscotch to it. What are you doing?
Waving.
Oh, you're just trying to see yourself in the camera? Is that what you're doing?
Yeah.
Okay, so Zayden mixed the cocoa powder, and he thought that it smelled great. I told him not to taste it. Yeah, because that's just ew. Okay, we're going to need some of this for piping. And I'm just going to put a little bit of the caramel in there. Now, and if you've seen me make this before, you know I like my discoloration to be even. So I will be adding some brown in here with my coffee grounds. So let's get our, oh, that's not brown, that's green. We don't want to make it green, do we, Z-Man? Yeah, no green. We'll stick with brown.
Put that in?
Sure. You sure can. There you go.
Just dump it?
Yep. Let's dump it. We can keep it out because we're gonna put coffee grounds in there.
So just put it like right here?
Oh no, we're gonna put coffee grounds in it right now.
Oh, okay.
Let me open the bag for you. There you go. Couple scoops. Yep. Dump it in. One more. I don't like my coffee soap to be too scratchy. Just a little teeny more. There you go.
Now I put it in here?
Yep. Now you can put it in the sink. Now, if you're going to help me mix these colors together, you have to be super, super, super careful. Even though you have gloves on, even though you have an apron on, oh, I need that. I don't know what I'm doing. Even though you have goggles on, you have to. So when I talk about being careful, you got to stir real slow like that, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'll do the caramel, you do your cocoa powder. Real slow.
Like this?
Yep, but you got to scrape the bottom of it so you get all that cocoa, because remember you scraped out, you smushed that cocoa powder on the bottom. It'll come off the sides, just get it off the bottom first, like this. Yep, see how all my caramel got mixed in there? See, there you go. There you go. I know those things. Goggles on. I know. Are your goggles dirty? Are they dirty or are they just falling off your face? They're a little dirty? Here. Yeah, we probably should have washed them from the last time Kiki used them. Okay, so we have to stick blend our white. Do you know why we have to stick blend the white?
Why?
Because the white is a pigment. It's not a mica, which means it has to be stick blended in there so the color disperses correctly and not all. And I'm sorry you guys couldn't see me do that. See, look at that. I'm terrible. They couldn't see me do any of that because I did it in front of or did it behind the bucket. But they're gonna see me do the bucket. Okay, let's do this. And then we will add our fragrance. Oh, I guess I could stir this.
Why does it look so much like cream?
It does look like cream. It's because we used coffee for the lye. So it's not white. It's got that coffee tinge to it. Okay, here we go. We made a coffee soap just before this, didn't we, Z-Man?
Yep.
And what did you say that this looked like? Do you remember?
Like, you left a ranch and...
Oh, is he gonna come in to get squeezes? Okay, he's too close. Come here, give me squeezes. Give me squeezes. I will see you tomorrow. Okay, sorry. I had to give squeezes to other grandbabies that are going to bed.
It looks like moldy ranch.
It looks like moldy ranch. Yeah, that's what she said it did. I love my grandkids. They're so funny. Okay, now I only have, this is a new fragrance, so I only have an ounce of it. My niece got it. She wanted me to make wax melts with it, but it is the only like fragrance I have that would be coffee related. So here we go.
Can I pour it in?
You sure can.
The whole thing?
Yep, the whole thing. I guess I should get my mold over here. That would be helpful. Okay. Put the lid on it. You can just put it in the sink for right now. So, oh, see, man, that smells so good. Look how white that made it.
Oh, that smells so
Oh, that is beautiful. I love it. I love it. I think we're going to do it in the pot swirl. I think that would be really cool because it's still, well, except for, well, no, because the white is too thick. Here, let's bring our mold over here. And we're going to bring them in closer so they can see better us pouring. Okay? So I'm going to pour this like I did the last time. Just a little bit. Well, maybe a little bit more.
This is how people make soap.
Yep, this is how people make soap. And then we'll use
some of that.
Yeah, some of the cocoa powder. Actually, we're going to just put it all in. So should I use a hanger or should I use a chopstick like I did last time?
Chopstick.
Okay, a chopstick?
Yeah.
So we're doing 2 coffee soaps with 2 chopstick swirls? Alrighty. That works. It's not a double batch because they were both different scents. The other one was Cafe Mocha. I think I want to save a little bit of this color. No, I don't. Okay. No, I don't.
Potato head.
I need to make up my mind, y'all.
Before you go crazy, it's
You don't think I'm already crazy? No?
we're the crazy family, so like,
Okay, we're going to do, oh, see, look, that white. Woo! You know what? I think I'm going to have to take the hanger to it, baby. I think this white is way too thick for me to do anything but take the hanger to it. So, yeah. Let's see what this does. Yeah, I'm going to have to take the hanger to it, baby. I'm sorry. But the hanger's lots of fun to watch. Next time, I'm going to let you do more when we make whole Hey Bulldog. Now that you've sat down here and watched me make 2 soaps, when we make Hey Bulldog, you're going to be able to pour and everything, if you want to.
I do.
Okay. Okay, we need just a little bit more weight in there to fill that up.
When you put all those on, it looks like you're like You're adding caramel. Caramel.
Yeah, that's why I sort of wanted to save that, but I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use the gold mica. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the middle, and I'm gonna come up and down and around and back and around and around.
Now it's like.
And then we're gonna pull it up.
Ooh, I actually like that kind of color. It's like an orange caramel.
Yep. Well, but it's not. I mean, that's only what it looks like on the top. On the inside, it's all swirled. Okay, I'm gonna bang it. Okay, so I'm gonna put the piping in a
My foot is.
piping bag.
It's going to sleep.
That's all right. You can stand back, baby. I'm gonna put the piping in a piping bag, and we'll bring you back for that. So we will see you in a minute. All right. For this being a like candy kind of scent, this surely did take a long time to set up, which is, you know, it's unusual for those candy cookie type scents to take a long time, at least in my experience. It is. I'm doing this one like a lot different than what I ordinarily do, as you can see. I should have done that like smack dab in the middle. Sorry, I think I turned you guys a little bit. And I gotta turn this around. Hopefully there's enough in here. There should be. It wasn't exactly centered, so I don't need to do it everywhere. Oh! I hate air holes. Oh! Air holes are annoying. Woo! I have my fan on, so it's creating a breeze. Well, that's what a fan's supposed to do, isn't it? Seal and cheese. Okay, so because this is that caramel one, I think. Oh yeah, I gotta turn my fan off for that though, because you don't want to glitter with a fan on. I'm gonna put a teeny bit of gold glitter on this. It is biodegradable. I like to do it in my hand first, and then in there, just a teeny bit. I don't like to glitter like Amanda does. Amanda the glitter queen. A little bit. Oh, I missed a spot right there. Hopefully y'all can see it sparkling. Hold on. Get that glitter off my hands. And I'm going to use some super sparkle as well. And I'm going to put, you know what, I think I'm going to leave the coffee grounds off this one. Because the other one I put coffee grounds on the top of it. So I think I'm going to leave it as it is. Yeah, I think I will. Okay, so in 18 to 24 hours, we will cut this bad boy. I'll see you then. Bye. Let's cut this. Wake me up before you go. I gotta get a new piece of paper towel. Okay. This is the creme brulee scented one. Get a teeny end piece off. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh. And all of it, all of this inside is going to be as dark as that, so it'll change color as it cures, which is fantastic. I can't wait to see it in all of its glory. And I love the glitter on the top. I don't know did we glitter it together? I don't remember. I'm going to try to get my shadow out of here and show you all the glitter. There's gold on there and a little bit of super sparkle, just to give it a little pizzazz. Just a little pizzazz. I almost put that right on the tray, y'all. I love it. I love it, love it. And that caramel color that's through there is going to show up a lot better once the soap turns dark too. Once it darkens up. Because it will, because the sides are pretty dark. Because you can like see on the side right there that caramel color. When I pulled this out of the mold, I was like, oh my goodness, this is gonna be beautiful. Although I had to wait for it to not be frozen. This is not frozen. I've been cutting soap while it's still frozen lately, guys. Oh, I do. I really like it. And it smells so amazing because you can smell that creme brulee, but you know, because I use the cocoa powder, you can still smell the chocolate. And that Death Wish coffee that I used of my son's, it definitely smells like coffee too, which is strange. Because usually when you scent a coffee soap, you know, when you use coffee as your lye water, it doesn't necessarily smell like coffee. I still have to order some more hazelnut. I really thought we had an 8-ounce bottle of it, but apparently we don't. Must have gone through it, because that's our best selling one, is the hazelnut. So, oh, I like that. How many pieces do I have? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Oh, I'm gonna have a nice big end piece. How did that happen? They're all an inch. Wow. Okay. I have 11 bars out of this. Because this is, well, I don't know, that's maybe not quite an inch. Let me see if this is an inch. It is, you guys. I'm going to have to plane it on the other side. Well, I don't know, that's pretty. I might not have to plane it. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, guys, as always, I appreciate you guys so much. You guys are all so great, and I am so honored that y'all watch me. So I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye.